They claim it's easy to install. In this video I'm going to show you that. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. This is what you have in the box. When it first comes out of the box, this little piece in the front, it's recessed for ease of shipping. So this needs to be pulled out, and then you'll have to attach the screws over here on the side. The screws come in the box. All you have to do is just drill them in once this unit is fully extended. It's an easy 1 med pick, about 60 pounds when it's dry. So it's very easy to just pick up and put in the window. For ease of installation, because I have a high window, I always split it in half. So I take the pads off. It's a separate unit. There's just one hose that you have to disconnect. The pads have to go on the unit. Mine is a little bit high, but it's not a big deal because this is very light. One thing you have to know, there's a little hose that needs to go on this side. This is the hose that you see on the side of the unit, so once you get up there, this has to go in. The water hookup is very simple. You get this 1/4 inch pipe. It has a little washer. You put the seal back on. Usually I prefer to use the plastic ones, and then this one just screws on the side of the unit. But this is just a normal faucet. You could buy this extra faucet with a connector for a swamp cooler from any hardware store. So this one is another faucet. It just connects to the first faucet, and then there's a little connector for the swamp cooler which you could turn on and off, and then still allow you to have independent connection for the hose, for the garden hose. And obviously you recognize this one goes to the swamp cooler. The power cord can be plugged in outside or inside. As you can see right now, the unit is flush with the wall, so because of that it's just a nice installation on the inside. And now to the best part of it, we get to use it. Power button, all works from the remote. Link for the company that builds this product. You could find them at your local store. You could order them online. Check out their website. They make great products. As I said, I've been using them for the past maybe 12 years, and I've never had one part to break in this unit, my old unit, and that's why I decided to get the new one. Thank you very much for watching.